Judgment, according to the Spirit of Wisdom, a take on the book of the Judgment of the Spirit of Wisdom in Becoming Ahriman, Volume 1, by Dastur Adam Daniels. Enjoyment comes by overcoming guilt, shame, and fear. Kunda, intoxication. Nasu, corpse matter. And Asham, join with those who don't struggle against the disturbing clamor. Asto Vidat, the bone divider fire. And Visaresha, the driver away. Face the wanderers. Za'uri, poison, affirms abstaining from pious worship by the devil's prophet follower. Ta'urvi, destruction, greets those with the step to Dushhumat, thoughts, as a final judgment preparer. Sa'urva, oppression, greets those on the step of Dushhukt, the place of evil words, who are witnessed as greater offenders. Na'an ha'ithya, discontent. Ndar, stifling. And Akamana, evil mind, greet on the step of Dush Huvarsht, the place of evil things, who faces even greater dishonor. The universal spirit, Angra Mainyu, destructive spirit, the Davanam Dabo, chief devil of demons, and Gnog Manog, stinking body. His agent of counter-creation are the celebrators at the gate of Hami Yasa'ete, the mixed existence in Chakad the Ete, the desert peak, to overwhelm the worst creatures with the crest creatures that have grown to the size of the mountains of their desires. The wicked pass through what is much narrower, and they are greeted by Mitokat and Arast, falsehood, Arashak, malice, Ushasp, sloth, Uda, Zarman, Ash, Oshtohad, excessive winter, Shishmok, disaster, Varun, pest, Sedge, Oz, distress, Yaz, distress, Nos, defilement, Fush, stinginess, Thriftar, seducer, Spazig, slanderer, Gosh, and Sir Chashmi, Boot, Kundak, wizard, Tashfish, Drivish, with nung haetit tadana Razisht, Nizisht, and Cephla, and other monsters. By their willful den card. That's a system of judgment. Naga Manasa, snake that removes poison, takes from the razor to where the devil meets their desires. Did Naraka expiation evolved with the theologians, or was it always ready to meet the wickedness as an exactor? Hoot, childless, is for those who choose debauchery over being reproducers. Avicii, hopeless, is for those who were frustrators. Samhata, is for every malicious intender. Tamsira, darkness, is for those who fell under what they call illusion from the deluder. Radishta, expelled, is for those who became beastly and hiders. Hudmala, punished, is for hypocrisy and the extremes of being a corrupter. Kakala, like poison, is for the lowest use of feelings and emotions to the point of being equal or greater to a murderer. Alperon, 23, 99 to 113, relates to those who want reincarnation, but are faced with a separator. And the passages of the seven hells. But here we speak of each levels numbering 4. Crawling in the darkness, there is a treasure in the demonic water. In the Enochian system, we find this in oath, and the pair. The 25th author. We develop the presence of our choosing. In the Muladhara, the Vavistana, self-established. Manipura, city of gems. Anahata, unstruck. Vishuddha, especially pure. Ajna, and Sahasrara, 1,000-petaled. Chakras, centers, as worshippers. This is enhanced by the visualizer. Jahi, libertine, formerly called for the use of flesh and fluids. But as a doer in the devil's domain. He is the illuminator of hell, as if it is the final liberator. Moksha, liberation, with the anguished father. On the table, spots of warmth extending out further into the room. I feel a tingliness and I'm becoming a joyful crier.